Good morning, children. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning, auntie.
Good morning,
How is all of us we do?
You're fine, though.
Hope everybody are fine. Cool?
They're fine.
Yeah, well, so today I will just quickly start calling the names of the roster so that I shall never forget the way I forgot the other day that I forgot to call the names. Cool? Before I start, some person should come to the staff room that they reported that people were pied on class. Who are the persons?
They don't come to him. It's him and him.
Kai, you this coconut boy, every time I warn you that you should not fight on class. What occurred this time?
Talk now.
Kai, speak English, man. Speak what I'm going to hear. Shut up. Shut up, I say shut up. You shall not come and wasted my time. After the class, you followed me on staff room. Uncle Pelis is going to hear whatever it is you have to say on your mouth. Now listen to my username that I shall call. You around, you say present. You are not around. Everybody should tell me absent. Chinyere is a
Present auntie.
Yawa. Mado aburo tuko gosfawa. Mado aburo tuko gosfawa.
No, be you auntie they call.
Mado aburo tuko gosfawa.
Auntie, that is not my name. Oh.
What is your name?
Madaburo Chuku Gospower.
Shut up. When you got home, your mother should call you that one. This one, you must answer it. You must say present or I mark you absent. Mado aburo tuko gosfawa.
Present.
Chioma okulesa.
Chuma is your name, no answer.
Present auntie.
Yo. Indidi imaka okapo. Indidi imaka okapo. You, this girl, you don't hear your name, you shall not answer it.
Auntie, that's not my name. Oh. That's not my name.
You say present now.
Auntie, that's not my name. My name is Ndidi Amaka, not Ndidi Amaka.
Where your mother should born you, she call you that name. Me, I call you Indi. You say present.
Present auntie.
You know how to train up people while you're on this class. Inkim konam obika.
Yeah. You can give me Kim.
Inkim konam obika.
Auntie, there's no name like Kim in this class. Oh.
Who should answer Obika here?
Okay, auntie, she's not come to school today.
Okay. Shima has not paid school fees. Better for her. Kosara Chuku Nibulisa.
Present auntie is me, Kosara Chuku Nebolisa.
Good boy.
Thank you, auntie.
China so ipika.
Auntie, is it Chinasa or Chinonso?
You hear me say Chinasa? I said China so ipika.
Auntie, if it's Chinonso, it's me, but I'm not Chinasa. Chinonso.
Are you absent or you are present?
Auntie, I'm present though.
Na imaka undu.
Neba is your mother that is in America.
What? Who said that?
No, auntie, I'm not your mate though.
But Uba.
Your mother is in Nemika. Who is in Nemika?
Run, go to call Uncle Piles for me. Call Uncle Piles for me. You come out. Come out.
Nah, auntie,
come out. I shall show you that I'm not your mate. I am your teacher.
Auntie, I'm not about.
Call Uncle Piles for me.
Who is in Nemika?
You talk to me like this?
Who is in Nemika?
You call my mother on class? Shut up! Anything you say, I shall use it against you. Anything you say, I shall use it against you. Yes, Imaza.